Mayor Rosemary Boy. Medyo gabi galingan ka na. Bili lang ko tindog ha, para mas duol-duol. Sa atong mga guests karon, mga judges, sa atong mga higala, actually we have a very special guest, my special guest tonight is a good friend, the Governor of Quezon, Governor Rafi Nantes is here, the one in red polo shirt. And sa tanang atong mga talents, kandidata mataghamang guwapa din sa buhay. If I remember it right, I filmed Panagoy sa Suba here in Luwag. And I would just like to share to you the film I did here in Luwag. I finished the film, but very few residents of Luwag knows about what happened with the film. Okay, the film Panaghoy sa Suba gathered about 37 awards, here and abroad. And we have to be very proud of it because ato man tong pelikula. So nakitaan to in 13 different international film festivals. We won in Brussels Best Grand Prize Jury Award in Belgium. But it was invited in 13 different international film festivals. So ganun po kadami yun. And we won, we gathered like more than 5 awards in Gawad Urian, the most prestigious Gawad Urian Award. We won Best Picture, Best Cinematography, Best Actor, Best Director, Best Screenplay in Gawad Urian. And it was really a great blessing. At saka swerte po, swerte ang lugar na atong isyutingan sa Panaghoy sa Suba. And the actors here that I hired are also good actors. Yeah. That's why the artists in Bohol are really good. The artists here are very good. The talents here are good also. Hindi po matatawaran ng artist sa Bohol. Don't forget, Abueva, the great artist, our national artist Abueva is from Bohol. And Rebecca Losterio, the one who won